Last dogma dissolves on your tongue, when us and them become a single heartbeat in the throat of the night, you will discover that the wisest answer is a garden of questions blooming in your spine. Share this manifesto if you believe that the cracks in the world are windows to a sun we cannot yet name. What version of you emerges when you stop resolving contradictions and begin to dance with their electric shadows? The revolution will not be televised. It will be a quantum whisper between entangled souls. How can we apply the acceptance of tensions in our daily lives? What historical examples show the effectiveness of resolving conflicts between opposing ideas? How can conceptual poetry help us better understand existential conflicts? What meditation techniques can facilitate acceptance of tensions between opposing ideas? How spiritual growth relates to conflict resolution in society?